How to sew a neckband on a t-shirt. Good day and welcome back to another tutorial on Boss Fashions. Today's tutorial is a problem solving tutorial for t-shirt maker. And with the simple technique I'm going to teach you on this tutorial, it will solve the problem of bulk on seam area and the problem of neckline gaping. Also, the problem of getting matching fabric and ribbing neckband to match for home sewers. It's not necessary you have two needle overlock sewing machine before you can fix this neckband. You can make use of your straight sewing machine as well, and I will advise you weave the edges after joining the band. Now let's start the tutorial, but please make sure you share this video because I discovered a lot of people need tutorial on how to sew neckband on a t-shirt perfectly. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Thank you. This neckband, you are going to cut it with your actual neck measurement. For this tutorial, the neck measurement is 18 inches. 18 inches divided by 2, that will give us 9. Then you are going to add extra half inch for joining allowance. So let me quickly join it. So after joining it, we are going to fold it this way. So that is number 1. Then number 2, you have to observe how stretchy your fabric is. This fabric now is super stretchy. So if it is this type of fabric you are using, you are going to add 10 inches to your actual neck measurement. So this one is 18 inches plus 10 inches, that will give us 28 inches. That is what we are going to use to cut out your neck hole. So this one now we have 28 inches neck hole here. That's number 2. The next thing, whenever you want to fix this polo, make sure this joining area, this joining line is set to the back of the material of the shirt, and also make a notch for you to have equal joining. So I notched here and I notched the opposite side. I'm going to fold it again over, then I'm going to notch the center as well. So like this, you know, it has been notched already. That is the next thing. Then after that, we proceed to joining. So you are going to set all this notch area while joining your neckline. So sorry, it's like this place is somehow dark. Now I've set my center line. The next thing is to be setting the notches. Here is number 1 on the neckband, and here is another one. Here is number 1 on the neck body. You can see how I pulled it in now to make it equal. So I'm going to this is how to do it. Then I'm going to proceed to number 2. Here is the second notch, and for the body, here is the second notch as well. Here is the second notch. So I'm going to match them and pull. You can see it is equal now. So then we proceed to number 3. Here is 3, here is 3, here is 3, here is the 3 second notch, here is the third notch, here is the third notch as well. So I'm going to match them together, pull again. make sure you set all the notch area. So this is the best way to make your t-shirt neckline. I'm done. As you can see now, here is it. So I will now add to, if you have taping machine, so you add to taping machine to tape it down, but I'm going to use straight sewing machine to tape this neck area down now. So you can see this is what I have. It has been ironed already, but this is what I have with my neckline of 18 inches and the body of 28 inches. You can see how perfect the neckline is. So this is how to get your t-shirt neckline perfectly. Thank you.